When opportunity knocks in the form of a successful elk hunt, being prepared is key. Enter the Bayattoo 2-set deer drag sleds, designed to make your hunting experience seamless and efficient. This set includes both orange and black deer drag equipment, each measuring 73 by 22.8 inches. Equipped with hook and loop straps, 12-foot ropes, tow handles, and a convenient drawstring bag, this portable kit ensures you are ready for any hunting adventure. Transporting your game has never been easier. The deer drag strap is versatile, perfect not only for deer but also for logs, trees, elk, and more. Its adaptability makes it indispensable for various outdoor activities, saving you valuable time and effort. Crafted from specialized polyethylene, these sleds withstand the weight of even the largest deer. With a non-slip rope for stability, they are ideal for diverse terrains like grass, sand, and snow, though not suited for extreme conditions like gravel roads. The orange sled boasts a thickness of 1.2 millimeters, supporting up to 800 pounds. Its smooth side reduces friction for easy sliding, while the rough side secures your game, making transport cleaner and more efficient.